Add a pinch of salt and a little oil to the water. Once it's boiling, add the spaghetti and let it cook until perfectly tender. While the pasta is cooking, let's prepare the sauce. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a little vegetable oil. Finally, chop a few cloves of garlic. The more, the better for this recipe. Add the garlic to the hot pan and sauté it gently until it becomes fragrant and slightly golden. Be careful not to burn it. Now add some paprika and a bit of red chili powder. Stir everything together and let the spices bloom in the oil for a few seconds. By now, the spaghetti should be ready. Drain it, but make sure to save some of the pasta water. Add the cooked spaghetti directly into the pan and toss it with the garlic and spices until everything is well combined. Now pour in about 3 ladles of the pasta cooking water. This helps create a light, silky sauce that coats every strand of pasta. Add a little soy sauce and mix everything really well. Now crack in 2 eggs and quickly mix them into the hot spaghetti. The residual heat will gently cook the eggs and make the sauce creamy and rich. Once everything is well combined, cover the pan with a lid and let it sit for a couple of minutes so all the flavors come together beautifully. Finally, give it one last stir. Serve your garlic spaghetti and finish it with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and some fresh parsley on top. Simple, quick, and packed with flavor. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.